Hello kids. In our last video what we learned how to find surface area of a prism. In this video what we will learn is on the basis of surface area of prism, how will you find height and radius. Okay. See kids, one thing what is our psychology is थोड़ा सा कुछ नया देखते हैं हम डर जाते हैं. We don't have to be scared kids. We know the formula of surface area, right? We have learned the derivation of it. Surface area is what? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. To simplify further, what will we do? This 2 pi r and this 2 pi r is common, right? We will take it out. We will take it as common. So from first part I have got 1 r remaining, and from another part I have got h remaining. So my formula can be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or it can be 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. It is much better to use this way to simplify your steps, to reduce your steps. Now over here we have got 850 centimeters square. So my radius is 850 centimeters square. 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 r they have given here as 11 centimeters. I will write it as 11 centimeters is equal to r, or no sorry, not is equal to, we have to find h. So 11 centimeters plus h. I will just write it like this. Okay. Now what will I do? I will take whole of this on left side. So that will be divided. 850 centimeters square divide by 2 into 3.14 into 11 centimeters. So this 1 centimeter and this centimeter is cut. Now it is 850 divide by 2 divide by 3.14 divide by 11. So 850 divide by 2 divide by 3.14 divide by 11 is 12.30. So this we got is 12.30 centimeters is equal to, there is this 11 centimeters. See, you can see here, right? This bracket is still remaining. So is equal to 11 centimeters plus h. Now there is variable, h is your variable. So variable on one side, number on another side. So 12.30 minus 11.30 will be 1.30 centimeters. So h is 1.30 centimeters. Understood? Now in the similar manner, we will find radius. Okay, let's find radius. So in this question, what it is? We have got our surface area, height, radius we have to find. Again formula is what? Same formula. Surface area is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. Okay, I know surface area is what? 18 pi. So I will write 18 pi centimeters square. 2 pi, you can write 2 pi just like that, into r we have to find, and h is 8 centimeters. I will take whole of these on the left side. That is, it is called taking variables on the left side. But I will keep r here only, because r is my subject, let it be there only. So multiplication when goes on another side becomes division. So 2 pi, right? So 2 pi, that becomes division. So this and this is 9 centimeters square. So now I have got, after reducing, after simplification, what I got is 9 centimeters square is equal to, can I say this r square, we will be just keeping it like that, r square, and this is 8 centimeters, 8r, right? So what I did, I multiplied this r with this whole bracket. So r square plus 8r. Now in order to uncomplex our things, I will remove the units. So r square, 9 is equal to, यहाँ से हमें 9 मिला. So 9 is equal to r square plus 8r. What will I do? I will keep this, I will take this 9 on the right side. So it will be like this. 0 is equal to r square plus 8r minus 9. In our factorization video, factorization has been completely taught. If you all don't remember factorization, go through that video, okay, to understand this. Now what it is, I will find product of factors of 9. Whichever are the factors of 9, sum of those factors will be my this number. So what are the factors of 9? Factors of 9 are 1 and 9. Okay, so I will write here r square plus, I will not put any signs right now. I will just put 1r, 9r, and I will put minus 9, because factors of 9 are 1 and 9. I have put those factors. Now in my next step I will put these signs. So I want plus 8r. So can I say 9 minus 1 is equal to 8? But I want plus 8r. So what I will do? Greater number sign. Greater number will be plus. Smaller number will be minus. So plus minus action is minus. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Sign of a greater number. So 9 is a greater number. I will put plus 9 over there. Now I will divide this part into two parts. One is this part. One is this part. Let me take my sum this side so that visibility will be better. So I have got two parts, r square minus 1r, and another part is plus 9r minus 9. I have just shifted this step over here. Okay, now I have got two parts. So in this first part, what is the common variable? R. I will take r out. So remaining out of this r square, 1r is remaining, and this r is already out, so minus 1. And over here, what are the common factors? It's 9. 9 we will take out, and in the bracket it will be r minus, in 9's table, where does 9 comes? 1's are. So I have got two brackets now, r plus 9 and r minus 1, which is equal to 0. यहाँ पे याद है 0 लिखा था हमने. So that is equal to 0. Now r plus 9, I will be solving it, simplifying it. R plus 9 is equal to 0. R minus 1 is equal to 0. So over here r is equal to negative 9, and over here r is equal to positive 1, because addition when goes on other side becomes subtraction, minus when goes on another side becomes positive. So but you have to remember this, that neither your radius nor your height will be ever in negative. So your radius will be positive, which is equal to 1. It is very simple, kids. It's just about the formulas. If you know your formulas well, then things becomes very simple. Do not worry. Go through the video very much properly and then appear your worksheet. Bye. See you.